How to fix can't deliver user available on Messenger. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So tap and hold your Messenger app, then tap on app info, then tap on its storage section, and from there tap on clear cache. The next step is head over to your Play Store and then search for Messenger. See if you have the latest version of Messenger application or not. If not, simply update it to its latest version. Sometimes this problem might have been caused due to server issues. If that is so, you just have to wait and see if the server gets fixed. After the server gets fixed, you will now be able to send messages. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.